Let's pull up Venus Remedies. The company yesterday announced a launch of arthritis drug. And what's the business prospect of this particular launch, what it means for the company's top turnover and also for the profitability? Dheeraj Agrawal, the CFO, is with us. The stock is up 10%. Dheeraj, thank you so much for joining us. Let's talk about this new launch. Can you talk about the scope, the size of the kind of market that you're targeting?
Yeah, scope of the product is tremendous because this is absolutely a new product which has come for the first time, and it is targeted the audience of people who are affected by arthritis and other orthopedic problems, and it has used emulsion technology for the first time, which is better than cream, gel or spray. Further, this is used by nanotechnology, which means that particles are of extreme nano size, less than 85 nm, which means that immersion into skin is faster and pain relief is faster, and side effects are absolutely minimal. Now we know that around 15% of population is suffering from arthritis, so scope is definitely huge, and since it is a chronic problem, which means that it needs a continuous use. We expect that this market is of around 1500 crores in India, and we expect that by a year's time from now, it should constitute say around 2 to 3% of our top line.
Can you give us some more dope about the arthritic segment and what kind of business are you targeting? What kind of market share are you targeting in the same?
No, this is our single product for arthritis as such, and it is sufficient for the pain relief management of arthritis patient. And we also have certain tablets which are related drugs. So what we expect is that we would be able to capture say around 2% of the market size.
What about the launch timeline for this particular product overseas?
Yes, we have already filed for patents and product authorizations globally. So maybe a year time from now, we should be able to penetrate into an international scene.
What about new product launches, whether in the same category or in different categories for the rest of the year?
Our major focus lies towards antimicrobial resistance through giving antibiotic products to the patients. And of course, the second segment is anti-oncology, wherein we are working for various types of cancer ailments. So, so there would be certain launches in antibiotic segment as well as certain technologies in anti-cancer segment. That is the main foray of our organization.
What about the commercialization of patent CSC 1034? When can we expect the same?
That we are going to launch this product in January this financial year in domestic market.
Can you give us some more details about the antibiotic market? How is that shaping up? What kind of market share? Are there any other launches that are in the pipeline in the antibiotic space?
That's what I mentioned, that in antibiotic segment, this is our latest product which which is able to hit even superbug, which is under antimicrobial segment, which we are going to launch in January, and that is we expect to take a very large share of market, and it is going to compete with a leading product of global pharma giant, which means that we are very hopeful that this year growth would be higher than the industry growth.
And when do you expect to bring the DPPC to the market? You were talking about commercialization, collaboration plans for the same. How soon can we expect some development?
Yeah, collaboration we have already signed with two big four, and we are very close in inking a deal with global pharma giants. And as far as commercialization of DPPC is concerned, it will take another 1.5 to 2 years.
What about the outlook for FY13? What kind of top line, bottom line growth are you targeting?
We expect a growth of around 15 to 16%, which would be higher than industry average. And EBITDA would follow the same trend.
All right, Dheeraj, thank you so much. The stock's up nearly 11%. Management commentary about the prospects of business going ahead. J&K